If Facebook Messenger is unresponsive on your iPhone, okay, don't worry. I'm going to help you fix it step by step in a simple way. This issue would usually happen because of small bugs, outdated apps, or system glitches. So what you're going to want to do is try these fixes one by one. First fix is to restart the Messenger app. Go ahead and swipe up from the bottom of your screen and hold for a second. Now you'll see all running apps right here. Look for Messenger over here and swipe it up to close it. Now open Messenger again. Wow, this quick refresh would probably fix the issue already. If it's still not responding, let me check the next fix with you. What you're going to want to do next is update the Messenger app. Open the App Store, search for Messenger, and look for the Update button. If you see it, go ahead and update the app. Okay, this would fix bugs and improve performance. Now, if that didn't work, give me a sec. We're going to reinstall the app. Press and hold the Messenger app icon. Tap Remove App, then tap Delete App. After that, go ahead and open the App Store and download Messenger again. This would remove corrupted files and make up a fresh start. If Messenger is still unresponsive, you gotta restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button and volume button. Slide to power off. Wait a bit, then turn it back on. Oh, great. Once your iPhone restarts, open Messenger and check again. If you're still facing the issue, what you're going to want to do is update your iOS. Open Settings, tap General, then tap Software Update. Check if there's a new update available. Go ahead and install it. Updates would fix system-level bugs that affect apps like Messenger. Anyways, these are the main fixes to solve unresponsive Facebook Messenger on iPhone. Make sure you follow each step ahead and check properly. To get more advanced solutions, go ahead and check the pinned comment below. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask and I would like to help.